In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Among Us sure is taking a while to sign in. So if you're getting this error, it typically points to issues with your internet connection, game files, platform restrictions, etc. So the first thing you want to do is you want to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unsustainable connection can cause login delays. So just double check that your Wi-Fi is in good condition. Make sure that you're not in airplane mode or anything weird like that. And another thing that you want to do is you want to check for Among Us server status. So what could be happening is that Among Us servers are down, which is actually something that happens relatively frequently. So what I recommend that you guys do is open up any web browser. It could be on your mobile device or on a PC or whatever, and you just want to go ahead and look up Among Us server status just like so. Then make sure you go to downdetector.com. All right, then it is going to go ahead and bring you to a website that looks like this. And if you see like there's a gigantic spike over here, then that likely means that Among Us servers are currently down. And in that case, the only thing that you could really do is just wait it out. You can't directly fix it yourself. But the good thing is Among Us is relatively quick to fixing server issues, so you don't need to wait that long either. So if you're using a shared Google Play or Apple ID family account, age restrictions may prevent login. So you want to check for any other error messages you may have dismissed. This is a platform limitation, not a game issue, and may require signing in with a different account. Also, for those of you guys who are on a PC, what I recommend that you guys do is launch from Steam instead of using the Among Us shortcut. So avoid using desktop shortcuts, launch the game directly from Steam client to ensure proper authentication. And also, if you're using like any type of VPNs or anything like that, I recommend that you guys go ahead and turn it off and then see if it does work without the VPN. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.